The NB Network with Dee's Fodder.
Hello, hey, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. Today, or right now, this video is an unboxing video of dun, 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 the Spooky Box Club. Oh, how I love Spooky Box Club. I love them. The theme for this one, this is box number 70, I think it says 71, it's Kitchen Witch. Now, it's box 71. Now, I love Spooky Box. I really do. And I have a bunch of information I can give you about them. And then we can pop this thing open and see what's inside. So let's learn about what Spooky Box is. Now, Spooky Box Club is a UK located company. Everything is custom made. They have a shop. You can also buy these boxes afterwards, because what you do, this subscription is more of a pre-order. All items are custom made and then shipped out, and it takes about 3 months before you get this box. I believe this was a December box. Now, they have pricing that is in pounds and not US dollars. So it's like for the UK, it's $31.50. For Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and Singapore, it's $37. And for the rest of the world, including here in the US, it is not $37, but for the rest of the world, it is £35.50 pounds. So I spent about $40 to get this, and folks, every box is put with so much care and so much detail, and I really love Spooky Box Club. So, you have to wait 3 months till you get the box itself, but hey, it's worth it, because when you open it up, So let's now see what's inside our box. Are you as excited as I am? I have had some bad unboxings today. So this one, I'm like, please. Now, Kitchen Witch. My wife is very much a kitchen witch. She comes up with some fun, creative meals and puts so much heart and soul into the food. It's wonderful. And she loves her kitchen. So it was like, I taught her how to cook. She didn't know a whole lot how to cook a whole lot of things, but then I started showing her, and then she just kind of has taken over all the cooking, which is wonderful. I mean, I do some cooking still, okay, but she's great. So I'm hoping there's things in this box that are going to be nice touches for her. So let's see, let's open it up, and we see the package. Okay, here it is. Okay, let's see here. There should be a card. Yes. Now, it doesn't tell me what the prices are, so this is something in the wrap-up. I will figure out pricing and see if I can get prices on the stuff and get the value. But right now, so the Kitchen Witch box number 71. Pentacle herb and flower drying rack. Okay, so this is incredible, because we have a garden, and we have one section is just all our herbs, or maybe a couple sections that we have. This is great for drying our herbs. Oh my gosh, let's see if I can get this. It's so tangled. It's a tangled. Okay. I see where it's supposed to be here. Okay, if you can see, that's what it's supposed to be looking like. This is connected. So, I wonder if I just cut that. Let me cut. It's elastic, so it's like bounces. It keeps. Okay, here we go. Here we go. You hang herbs all over this, and the hooks are all in here. This is so cool. Definitely something we could use in my home here. Very happy with that. That is just nice. Okay, what's in here? Summoning Pizza, a planchette fridge magnet set. Consult the spirits. Please note that each magnet is printed on individual custom wooden slices and as such will contain natural details, textures, and uneven surfaces. Variance in shape, size, and print effect will occur. Oh my gosh. So these details add unique character to your pizza planchette set and are expected in all small batch handcrafted items. Well, yeah, we know this is how custom handcrafted and so much care put into it all. I want to see this. Oh my gosh. Order pizza? Heck yes, do it. Spirits say no. This is awesome. This is so cute and fun. And it's definitely going to be on my fridge. Because we're always like, should we order pizza? Should we not? This is too cute. Oh, how fun is that? This is just like one of my favorite little witchy goth boxes because I get such... Oh, it's so cute. Okay. All right. These are witchy recipe cards. My wife should write down some of her favorite recipes and put them in here on these. This would be great. These are so cool. Oh, and you always get a piece of candy. Lately, we've been getting different kinds of lollipops. Lollipop. It's heavy. It's all right. Now we have a Blessed Bee pin. A little pink heart. I really like. I don't know if you can see it. Take it out of its plastic. You'll probably see a little better, but it's still reflective. The gold on it. But you might be able to see it better. Here we go. There. I think that you kind of see Blessed Bee. We have another pin. Witch mood, feeling bad. Curses. That is funny. You guys are Blessed Bee and curses. How fun and quirky is that? You know? See? And looks like the last item in here. This is a decorative kitchen witch tea towel. Oh, how cute! Oh, this is cute. Oh, it is so nice. I definitely want to put this in our kitchen. It's hard to me to see if I can get the whole thing in here, but that is just gorgeous. That is. I love it. Oh my gosh. How wonderful. How wonderful. So yeah, we got a few little things here. We got this hanging tea towel we can hang in our kitchen. We got the pin that's curses. Blessed Bee. Custom made recipe cards. The Should We Order Pizza or Not planchette magnet set. And a herb dryer. This is a really cute, nice kitchen witch theme box. So I will get back with you in just a few moments once I can total things up, see what this is going to cost us. And yeah, so far, so good. Hi. So it didn't take me very long because there's nothing in the shop. Usually I can go in the shop and I can find a lot of these items and give prices and we can discuss, the value. But yeah, today, no clue. No clue. I don't like it when that happens. I like to know. I like to see that value I'm getting. And I know not everyone, values that as much as I do. I like the prices. I like to be able to find, okay, so I'm saving this, or this is really great, because I only paid this and this is what it's really worth. I get excited by that. Just me. I mean, let me know if you're like me. But the things I got in here are unique, creative, perfect for my home. I know personally, I really like it. I mean, the spooky box of everybody in my family, every time I get the box, they're like, Mom, Mama, Mama D, Mama D, Mama D, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? And everyone likes to divvy things up. There's always something for everyone. And that is really neat. I like that. And, it just adds a little bit of the spooky in our lives that we love. So, yeah, I would go ahead and get this box. If you can get this box, I really think that it's something, that it benefits. It's like a self-care, giving yourself something that is uplifting and fun is important. And in fact that my whole family gets into it also is nice. It's one of these things where, okay, it's not just me and stuff that just I personally love, but it's everybody in my family in this household that you're kind of like, let's see what we got. It was kind of like when we used to get the Pusheen subscription box. Yes. I think that was the very first subscription box that I ever got. And it was quarterly and it was doing really well. And then they got crappy. And so I stopped. I've been curious to try again. I love Pusheen. Everybody in my family, we are a cat family. We are. We have 4 cats. But yeah, so for me, this is something that I can treat my whole family with. And so, yeah, I love the creators there at Spooky Box. So talented, and every piece customized and made for the orders. You can find this box though on their website. Now it does cost a little more if you didn't pre-order it like I did. So
keep enters.
Oops, I clicked the wrong thing. Yeah, that's anyway. Let me know what you think of Spooky Box. Is this something that you're interested in? Does it annoy you also that we can't find the prices for any of this wonderful, wonderful things? There should be a good value in these carefully created items that are just, I love them. They're spooky, creepy, and ooky. My family, that's us too. We very much are. Anyway, folks, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I see tons of views, and they're not people who subscribed. I'm like, if you're watching me, why aren't you subscribing? Please. Hit the like button if you like this. And please go out there. Remember, be kind to yourself and be kind to others. I love you all. See you next time. Bye.